Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make General Tso's chicken. To get started, I already washed and prepped my chicken. I'm using chicken tenders, but feel free to use whichever part of the chicken that you prefer. I have some onions, minced garlic and ginger. I'll be using cornstarch and flour, some oyster sauce, sweet soy sauce, regular soy sauce, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, some chili paste, and some sugar. Let's jump right in. So I started off with a quarter cup of water in this bowl, but I forgot to hit record, so you guys didn't see when I add that. Then I went in with my regular soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, and the oyster sauce. Give them a good stir, and then we will add some of it to the chicken. We will just use it, to marinate the chicken. So we will add, I would say this is roughly about, 2 tablespoons. It looked like I added 4 spoons, but the spoon is so shallow, it's not accurate. So I would say 2 tablespoons. And then I added the garlic and onion powder and the black pepper, went in and just give it a good mix and just set it to the side. Now let's continue preparing the sauce. I will add the chili paste as well as the sugar, and we will mix well to combine and just set it aside as well. To my preheated wok, I will go in with a little bit of canola oil, and then I will add some sesame oil, just a few drops. And once it's heated, we will add our aromatics. Give it a good stir and allow it to go for about 3 minutes. Next, we will add that sauce, give it a good stir and allow it to come up to a simmer. Now lastly, you want to add some cornstarch just to thicken. Make sure you mix the cornstarch into a slurry first before adding it and stir consistently until it thickens. Now the key to a very good General Tso's chicken is to make sure that the sauce is super thick. You don't want the sauce runny because the chicken will soak up that sauce and become very soggy, and you don't want that. You want the chicken to remain nice and crispy for a long period of time. So make sure that the sauce is thick and there's nothing soaking up any chicken. Once this is done, you want to turn the heat off and set aside. Now back to the chicken. We will now add that cornstarch and flour that we set aside. We will add that along with some water, and you want to just make sure that the chicken is well coated. Basically, we want to do like a batter to fry the chicken in. And yeah, this is how it should look once you're done. We'll preheat our oil and we will just fry our chicken up. We will double fry the chicken. We'll fry it for about 5 minutes or so, remove the chicken, and then we will place it back into the oil, frying it again until it's nice and crispy and very golden brown. So what I did was place my sauce back on the heat, added my chicken to it, give it a good toss, and that's basically how you make General Tso's chicken, guys, right in your own home, quick and easy, and it's better than any takeout. Trust me, once you try this recipe, you are not going back to that Chinese spot. Now let me play this up and show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my loves, my version of General Tso's chicken. I did pair it up with some chow mein and steamed broccoli. My family truly enjoyed it, and I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.